to win any competition, in fact, to win even a football game, a team, you must respect that team before. Want to talk of a full tournament, a big competition. No. If we want to win this Conference League, we must respect it. See it as any other tournament. Champions League, Europa League, any other tournament before we can get it. And if Chelsea win it, we are going to set a record. Being the only club to win all the European trophies in European football. Yes, winning the Champions League, the Europa League, and the Conference League. So this is must win because this is not where we belong. So if you doesn't belong to a particular place or a particular competition and find yourself there, show it that it is not your level. It is by mistake or by some certain things you found yourself there. So show to the world that it is really not your level and you are going to win it. Yes. So that is the only way we can show to the world that this Conference League is not our level. By winning it, even in the final, maybe we can score like 5 goals. Yes, to prove to everybody that no, we are still Chelsea. Yes, and Barcelona fans, this season they are making noise all over. Yes, I'm telling you guys, because they beat Real Madrid this season, they are noise as if they win something, big. That Super Cup or what they won, they beat Real Madrid. Up to now, Barcelona fans, come and see them in my area, guys. Where I stay, Barcelona fans, they can make noise. They are like parrot. They can make noise, some noise. I'm telling you. Let's hope Chelsea next season will come back. We'll go to the Champions League so that we'll catch them again and show them pepper. We beat their senior players, their legends. What to talk of Yamal? Who is Yamal? Cole Palmer is 100% better than Yamal. Who is Yamal? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, can you believe this? I am very surprised to hear this from Enzo Maresca, guys. Maresca said Sanchez will be the goalkeeper in our Conference League game. Chelsea Copenhagen game. Sanchez will be the goalkeeper. Well, no problem. But what we know as Chelsea fans, this Conference League is must win. Not this game, not this match. The Conference League final, the Conference League trophy is must win for Chelsea. Yes, if Chelsea can't win or don't win this Conference League, Charlie Maresca's head is shaking. Yes, something will happen to Enzo Maresca, I'm telling you. Because the way and manner Enzo Maresca started looking at this game, it seems he is underrating this game. It seems he is not respecting this Conference League. Because how on earth, Georgeson being your goalkeeper, he is improving, he is doing well recently. Keep on using him. There is a reason why you bench Sanchez. Sanchez was our first goalkeeper. And at the end, you bench him. There is a reason. The reason was the mistakes. The reason was the errors. So why are you bringing him back to the most crucial, important game? Because, see, this season we all know we can't win any trophy again. The Premier League, we are now yearning for top 4. Yes, playing for top 4. So, this Conference League is the last hope. This Conference League is the last anything that Chelsea can win this season. And now, guys, Maresca is about to gamble with this Conference League. Because how on earth you are bringing in Sanchez to be my goalkeeper? Because if Sanchez is playing for Chelsea, already 1 goal is guaranteed for the opponent team. I'm telling you, even if the opponent team don't want to score, Sanchez will let them score. Sanchez will give them a goal. So why Maresca? Why Enzo Maresca? How on earth you are about to start Sanchez in this game, guys? Enzo Maresca officially confirmed that Sanchez will be the goalkeeper. And for me, my hope was 100%. But immediately I hear Sanchez's name being our goalkeeper in this game, I'm now having hope of 50%. Yes, Chelsea winning this game. Let's hope we win it. Because, see, this team will not make it easy for us. Copenhagen last season, they play Champions League. So, they are not walkover or pushover team. No. So, guys, that is the information. Yes. Enzo Maresca said that Robert Sanchez will be our goalkeeper in this game. Let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought about that. And guys, the squad reveal. You know that when the Conference League started, there was a separate or or a different squad for it. Cole Palmer wasn't there. I think Fofana wasn't there. Yes, so many of our players. I think Nicola Jackson, yes, he wasn't there. But now, getting to the round of 16 to the final, yes, Chelsea came out with a new squad. Yes, reveal a new squad for this competition. And let's look at it, guys. The goalkeeping position contained Lucas Beckstrom, Philip Georgeson, Robert Sanchez. And the defense positions, Jose Achampong, Tosin Adarabio, Bernard Badiashile, Trovacheloba, Livercowell, Mark Cucurella, Malo Gusto, and Reece James. And the midfield position, Matis Amogu, Moses Caicedo, Enzo Fernandez, Keenan Drosboro Hall. In fact, this is our midfield. Looking at it, I'm not happy at all. Matis Amogu, Keenan Drosboro Hall. That is all. Yes. And Caicedo, Enzo, they are the first team players. Yes. Chelsea. Forward, Trek George, Shim. The second name is difficult to mention. Pedro Neto, Christopher Nkunku, Cole Palmer, and Jordan Sancho. So now, Cole Palmer name is being added. Our defense, Chalobah being added. Chalobah wasn't there, if you can remember. He was at Crystal Palace. So now, his name being added. Yes. Bernard Badiashile, Achampong. Yes. Up to now, even now, Fofana and... Yes. Fofana name is not there, guys. Yes. Fofana name is not there. Okay. But I heard he returned. We'll come to that. So it is only Fofana and Lavia. Yes. Their names are not there. And Nicola Jackson. Oh, this list is for those traveling today. No, I think that is the final list. Yes, that is it. No Nicola Jackson. Yes. Okay. Let's hope maybe this list is for this game. Yes. Let's hope, because Nicola Jackson, he should be there. Fofana should be there. Lavia should be there, because all of them will return. And this game, I don't know. Maybe, as I said, Maresca don't want to take it serious. Maresca is trying to underrate this game. I'm telling you. And that will be a disaster. Because to win any competition, in fact, to win even a football game, a team, you must respect that team before. Want to talk of a full tournament, a big competition. No. If we want to win this conference league, we must respect it. See it as any other tournament. Champions League, Europa League, any other tournament before we can get it. And if Chelsea win it, we are going to set a record. Being the only club to win all the European trophies in European football. Yes, winning the Champions League, the Europa League, and the Conference League. So this is must win, because this is not where we belong. So if you doesn't belong to a particular place or a particular competition and find yourself there, show it that it is not your level. It is by mistake or by some certain things you found yourself there. So show to the world that it is really not your level and you are going to win it. Yes. So that is the only way we can show to the world that this Conference League is not our level. By winning it, even in the final, maybe we can score like 5 goals. Yes, to prove to everybody that no, we are still Chelsea. Yes. So guys, that is the information and that is the squad revealed. And Maresca also said Fofana returned, started training. Chalobah also returned. And for Chalobah, he can even start. But Badiashile also returned. Yes, that is a good news. Yes, so that now we can have the squad depth. Yes, the way we started with this season, having so many players, having Team A and Team B. Now, we don't even have Team A. I'm telling you, look at our midfield. Look at our midfield. Immediately, Caicedo is not there or Enzo Fernandez is not there. Who can we trust in the midfield? Amogo, Kina, Zero. They loan them out. And do you even know the position I'm worried about, guys? Cucurella position. Cucurella left back. Let's pray that, guys, Cucurella stay injury free till the season end. If not that, Cucurella getting injured, it will be a disaster. It will be. See, nobody to take over from Cucurella. We loan out Vega. Nobody. So Cucurella will keep on playing till the season end. So that's why I said it worries me a lot, his position. Maybe Caicedo position, yes, we can bring in maybe Keenan. Yes, for Caicedo position, we can manage it. But Cucurella position, we can't manage it if he get injured. Yes. So guys, Badiashile, Fofana, yes, from Maresca, Lavia, they all started training, and Chalobah is also back. And let's talk about this game, Chelsea Copenhagen. Yes, this game, as I said already, it will not be a pushover game, especially their home. Yes, it will be away, their home. They will come out with everything to win this game, to make this game difficult for Chelsea. Yes, see, this will be one of the most difficult games for Chelsea in this season. I'm telling you, I'm not going to scare you. I'm not saying to scare anybody. I'm speaking the reality, particularly the time that it will come. And this kind of teams, like, they want to be meeting that big teams. When they meet that big team, they want to prove it. They want to show it that they are also good. They want to beat you and get the popularity and get the name and get the stand because your brand is big. So when they beat you, everybody will be talking about them. So they will make this game difficult. Chelsea, we are not going to find this game easy or get this game easy. So our players, see, they must give their best. They must play their best. And Maresca should come out with a good starting lineup. Yes, we don't want favorite starting lineup or some players who don't deserve to start this game, and Maresca go ahead and start them. And even on substitutions, on time substitutions, not late substitution from Maresca. Yes, we know Maresca. Yes. So this game, for me, I think Chelsea can only win it in two ways, from Enzo Maresca and from the players. The players, they must do the tackling. They must bring intensity into this game. The way we are playing in the Premier League, if we send it there, we'll collect time and come home. I'm telling you, these guys, they are going to play this game with their life, with their soul and their body, because they are playing against Chelsea. They will try to win, as I said, to have the stand, to have the popularity and the big team. So we have to show them that indeed we are Chelsea and we are bigger than them. We have the experience more than them. And this is not our level. Yes. So guys, for me, that is how I see this game. And let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought. And before we move on, please guys, don't forget to hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. And hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the blip, the motivation to give you more videos. So please hit the like button and hit the subscription button. Turn on the notification bell. More videos are coming. And let's talk about the Champions League game that play PSG, Liverpool, and Barcelona, Benfica. Let's start with PSG, Liverpool. In fact, this game, it is the definition of football is not fair. In fact, PSG play everything. Yes. If football goes to be given by possession or by those who play this game, PSG is supposed to win it, or PSG will have win this game. They did everything to win this game. And when you look at this PSG team and look at this our Chelsea team, they are homogeneous. Like, they look the same. See, young players in football, they can do everything. They can run. Yes, they can do the tacklings. They can do the passing, the possession, the beautiful football. But when we come to productivity, the resolution, the clinical aspect is the problem for young players. Because especially particularly in Champions League football, you need experienced players. When we come to Champions League, especially the level they are now playing, round of 16 or quarterfinal, that level, you need experienced players and you need experienced manager or tactical manager. In a Champions League, if your manager is clueless, forget about Champions League. If your manager is not tactical sound, guys, forget about Champions League football. So for me, even Chelsea qualifying for Champions League next season, like, I'm still thinking about it. Like, I'm still having the worry, the panic. I'm panicking because can Maresca do it? Can Maresca send the guys to the Champions League homes and give them the morale to go and play? Can Maresca show his tactical brilliance and not his tactical clueless? Because we saw it in some games in the Premier League. So guys, this PSG team, we saw how they play. As I said, they did everything, but they could not score. The same as this our Chelsea team. We can play, we can do everything. But when we come to finishing, nobody is there to finish for us. Yes. So that is the nature of young players, inexperienced players. You need to mix them up, combine, or you wait and be patient for them to grow. And players developing in the future to give you performance or to give you trophies, it's not guaranteed. Because maybe as you are growing your young players for the future, Some teams already went and bought already made players, signed already made players. So you are going to compete, like win the same trophy they are also competing with. So whilst you are bringing your young players, they already went, as I said, and brought their already made players. So it's not a guarantee that even when you build a team, at the end of the day, you will win something with the team. So that is why we are saying, this our owners, they should go and sign experienced players to bring balance to this our team. Look at this PSG team. Almost the same as Chelsea team. We can do everything in football, but we can't score. And football, when you are playing football and you are not scoring goals, you are just doing exercise. At the end of the day, I'm not saying goals that are the only things in football, but at the end of the day, you need goals to win you football games. All the defending, all the midfielding, all the attacking. At the end of the day, you have to put the ball at the back of the net to win a football game. So that is what we saw in this PSG and Liverpool game. And I heard if Liverpool win and Arsenal also win, they reach the semi-final, England will get 5th spot next season in the Champions League. So if Liverpool win, it will not be bad. Arsenal winning, that will be a problem, because I wish they can win for the 5th spot for Manchester City, because Chelsea, we are getting top 4. No way that 5th spot will be for City, yes. Or maybe Newcastle or Bournemouth, but not for Chelsea. Chelsea, we are entering the top 4, whether raining or shining, yes. And Benfica Barcelona, it wasn't that attractive game or the game that we wanted to see. Yes, because the way I was expecting Benfica to play, to make it difficult for Barcelona, even Barcelona had a red card. They could not beat Barcelona or equalize the goal. That was bad from Benfica. I don't think Barcelona plays some extraordinary football. Yes, in this game. Yes, maybe in the second leg we shall see. But this game, Barcelona, they didn't do anything. Yes, they were just lucky. Benfica could not capitalize on their chances. And Barcelona fans, this season, they are making noise all over. Yes, I'm telling you guys, because they beat Real Madrid this season, they are noise as if they win something. As if they win something big. That Super Cup or what they won, they beat Real Madrid. Up to now, Barcelona fans, come and see them in my area, guys, where I stay. Barcelona fans, they can make noise. They are like parrot. They can make noise, some noise. I'm telling you, let's hope Chelsea next season will come back. We'll go to the Champions League so that we'll catch them again and show them pepper. We beat their senior players, their legends. What to talk of Yamal? Who is Yamal? Cole Palmer is 100% better than Yamal. Who is Yamal? Even Rafinha is not better than Nicolas Jackson. Come on, don't tell me that. Don't just tell me that. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought on all what we discussed in this video. Yes, and please don't forget to hit the like button for this video to reach wider audience on the YouTube algorithm. Hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the motivation to give you more videos. Take care.